Hey everybody, today we're exploring my newest listing, a hidden gem in the heart of Haringey, a wonderful community brimming with parks, amenities, and some great schools. Truly a place to create your family story. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 26 Risdon Court, a charming 3+1 bedroom, fully detached bungalow set on a generous lot. Inside the home, an inviting living and dining room sets the stage for your family memories. Picture your culinary creations coming to life in this welcoming eating kitchen. These tranquil bedrooms await your personal touch. And downstairs, a spacious basement offers endless possibilities, from a cozy family room to a potential in-law suite. Step outside to your lush backyard, ready for fun, relaxation, and of course, backyard barbecues. Just a short walk away, Centennial Park awaits with its array of recreational offerings. And you can't forget that Haringey Park's vibrant public pool is just steps away. Easy access to highways, the airport, great schools, shopping, and public transit are all reasons to love this exclusive pocket of Toronto. 26 Risdon Court, a place where your family can thrive and grow. Ready to move in, renovate, or build new? The choice is yours. Ready to discover more? Visit 26risdon.com.